Hello, I am your balloon twister, Giordano the Great, and today, everybody, I'm going to teach you how to make a cool little white bunny. I'm going to use a white balloon for a white rabbit. So, get your pump and inflate the balloon, and leave, this time I'll show you about how much. Leave about three fingers right there. And then of course you got to remember to let a little bit of air out till it softens, but don't let it soften too much, just the right amount. And you can always, if there's not enough room to tie at the end, you can just pinch off a little bit at the end and then tie it. Okay, so tie that up, and then of course give it a squeeze across the top and run your hand through it 2 or 3 times like that to soften it up. And now we're ready for the rabbit. So first thing is, the rabbit's going to have about a 3-inch nose/face. And then we're going to do the ears, and the ears are going to be quite long because rabbits have long ears, but you don't want it too long or you won't have enough balloon at the end. So about 2 inches for the face and about 3 inches for the inch bubble. Give it a squeeze, make another 3-inch bubble. So now we essentially have, as we straighten it out here, the bunny face, the ears, the neck here, and the legs here. Now what we're going to want to do is squeeze this out all the way so it's filling out almost to the end there. Then, depending on how much long we have here, we're going to want to make the body about 4 inches, like that. Then what we're going to do to not just make this another dog or cat type thing is we're going to take the end of it here and we're going to move it around to the front and bring it all the way around to the back like that, making, I'll show you what that looks like. Then we're going to wrap the tail end and tuck it in the end like that. This one's going to have a nice long tail. And now you push the feet into the legs there and you have your bunny. Now the things about bunny, you can always say bunnies like to hop. So if the bunny hops out, just stick it back in there like that and you have your nice little bunny. And of course, don't forget, you can always draw a little face, ears, on the ears, mouth, nose, anything you want like that. You can do your artwork. I'm just going to leave it like this for now. And that's how you do the basic bunny. It's a pretty cool and easy one to do, and it really does look like a bunny. And the fact that it hops, that makes it extra fun for the kids because they can make it hop and put it back in, and that's pretty fun and cool. So, thanks for watching. Remember, you can always learn all my balloon animals at balloonbro.com.